Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can link your Activision account to your YouTube account. Or how we can link Activision account with YouTube account, that's better wording. So what you want to do is just go to Activision, let me show you. Oh my god, what? Go here in Activision, click your profile, and when you're gonna be here in profile, you're gonna see it here, link with YouTube account. Just click on it and that's it. And this is how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask in down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and some support. You know how it goes. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.